How to store lobster in the refrigerator the right way. Lobster. To store live lobster in the refrigerator, place it in an open container with damp newspaper or a damp cloth covering it, ensuring it's not submerged in water. Keep the refrigerator at a temperature between 32 to 40 carat, circ. F, 0 to 4 carat, circ. C, and use the lobster within 24 hours for the best quality. Place in an open container. Use a cooler, box, or the lobster's original container, making sure it allows for air circulation. Avoid sealed bags. Keep it moist, not wet. Cover the lobster with a damp cloth, newspaper, or seaweed. Do not store it in fresh water or on ice that will melt into water. Refrigerate immediately. Place the container in the coldest part of your refrigerator, ideally around 40 carat, circ. F, 4 carat, circ. C. Cook within 24 hours. For the best quality and freshness, it's best to cook live lobsters the same day you buy them, or within 24 hours.